We have given the publicity regarding the vaccination. We have also clearly mentioned there that in spite of being vaccinated, there is every possibility that you can still be infected. That infection may not show in your body, but you get to spread to others. That is why the three cardinal things which I told you, the three W's, that stands. Even after you've completed your vaccination, even after you've completed your second dose. Takadaw ngi khot ikani ka press conference kamut phin ai lam phin ngi kerpat ifi ba phin subha ban pen priang lam ikani khot yakani kubor ba hadin wa inject kamut ba phinum yo ini kunyang jingpang kamut lightly kita ki w what klet pandeng mas what klet ban sai ti what klet ban num yalum lumbrum hamtam ki jaka pa ba kita kiding bukusan takadaw ngi sadon ikani ka press conference kanang ba ke ke bangi kran hang ni whatever we speak here we disseminate here will in turn be disseminated from your end to the public for their benefit.
There have been cases of COVID-19.
How many?
Positive. They're worldwide. There's worldwide data, but exact statistics I can't give you at the back of my head. But yes, let me reiterate, the vaccine is not a cure. We don't have a cure. What the vaccine will do is, number one, reduce the severity if by the unfortunate circumstance that you happen to contract the virus, it will reduce the severity in you, but it will not cure you. It is not a cure. So even after being fully vaccinated, you still need to follow your precautions, because if you look at it from the other side, a person who has been vaccinated, if he were to contract the virus, may not show signs and symptoms, but there is still a chance that he may transmit the virus from one person from him to the next person, even though small studies have shown, from Italy, small studies have shown that the risk of transmission of those vaccinated is still much lower than those who have not been vaccinated, but it is not zero. A person who has been vaccinated can still transmit, even though the chances of transmission after vaccination is still low. That is why, to cover up that last part, we still advise that you have to wear your mask, maintain your social distance, and follow the third W is wash your hands.